Hi, this is Sangeeta Sharma, Head Department of English, BK Birla College, autonomous and affiliated to the University of Mumbai. Friends, many of you must have come across the term lingua franca, and perhaps you may be wondering about what exactly the term means. Come on, let's take a quick look at the term lingua franca. A lingua franca, also known as a bridge language, common language, auxiliary language, vehicular language, or link language, is a language or dialect systematically used to make communication possible between groups of people who do not share a native language or dialect, particularly when it is a third language that is distinct from both of the speakers' native languages. Lingua franca refers to any language used for communication between people who do not share a native language. It can also refer to languages which are native to one nation, often colonial power, but used as a second language for communication between diverse language communities in a colony or former colony. Now, English as the dominant mode of communication is the leading language for the global citizens. Since the Second World War, English has become the lingua franca of many domains, ranging from business to international politics to academia, and the globalization fostered by the rise of internet and new media has accelerated this development. The prominence of the English language has continued to increase in stature over time. Its non-native speakers now far outnumber the conventional native speakers in the UK, the USA, Canada, etc. Today, the language is spoken by almost 2 billion people across the world compared to 5 million some 500 years ago. It is estimated, for example, that fewer than 1 out of every 4 users of English in the world is a native speaker of the language. And as a result, most interactions in English now take place in intercultural contexts among non-native speakers of English or between native and non-native speakers. According to Breitneder, its prominence cannot be attributed to the language's structure or its intrinsic qualities. In fact, no language can claim superiority over other languages based on its structure or grammar. Instead, politics and economics are the two leading drivers of this prominence. The increase in use of the language has made it an automatic lingua franca in the modern world. English is a native language in both Britain and the USA, and therefore derives considerable power by virtue of this association. The dominance of these two countries in the world in successive periods has ensured the progression of the English language into a lingua franca. Ultimately, the increased use of the dialect in a majority of domains qualifies it as a world lingua franca. English becoming the lingua franca and the leading means of communication in the international sphere can rightly be attributed to the association with power. Hope, friends, you have got some idea about the term lingua franca. Thanks. We meet again soon. Bye-bye.